Hello, freelancers. Imagine working with the waves of the ocean in the background. In this section, we will be sharing with you some amazing freelance gigs that allow you to work from anywhere. Whether it's your cozy home or a tropical beach, get ready to find the ultimate work-life balance. In this video, we'll be diving into Lingoclinix, a Pakistan-based language solutions company with an excellent reputation for quality work and outstanding service. So, how can you apply for freelance translation jobs at Lingoclinix? It's super easy. Just head over to their website and click on the Careers tab at the top. There, you'll find all the details and procedures to apply. For those of you looking for more translation and interpretation opportunities, we have a PDF book that contains over 1,000 translation and interpretation jobs. It's available for purchase at ko-fi.com and also on amazon.com. Check the link in the description and take your skills to the next level. If you want to watch more videos like this, please check out this playlist.